Let us design the protective type flange coupling. The dimensions are as follows. Shaft diameter is 32, length of the hub is 58.4, diameter of the hub is 64. Key dimensions is length is 58.4, length of the key, breadth is 10, height is 8 mm. These are the dimensions of the flange and dimensions of the bolt. This is how the protective type flange coupling look like. Let us design one by one. It consists of total 6 parts and 4 bolts and 4 nuts. Select a front plane, select a line command or go for rectangle command. Now let us design the shaft. Diameter of the shaft is 32 mm. Key length is 58.4 mm. The length of the shaft should be more than the length of the key. Length of the keyway. So let us take more than 58.4. Here I will take it as 80 mm. Height we have to consider 32 divided by 2. 32 divided by 2. Angle 0. Select fit. Now select isometric view. Select revolve. Select the rectangle. Accept. Select this bottom line. Now we have to make a key slot of length 58.4. Select front plane, front view. Select again rectangle. Draw one rectangle of width 58.4. That's the length of the keyway. Height is total height of the key is 8 mm. So half portion will be on the shaft and the remaining half will be on the flange, means hub. So 8 divided by 2, that is 4 mm. Angle make it as 0 or 180 degrees. Now select move command. Select the rectangle. Select this top corner. Place it on this edge. Select isometric view. This is how it look like. Select cutout command. Select the sketch. Here select accept symmetric. Select symmetric. Select symmetric. Here width of the key is 10 mm. So enter 10 mm. The shaft can be made in different ways. This is also a one method. File, save. In summary, title, give the title name as shaft, or you can give as driver shaft. Select OK. Here give the file name as driver shaft. Select save. Next again select new file, part file. Okay. Now let us design driven shaft. Select a rectangle, select front plane, give the same dimensions as before. Width specify as 80, height 32 divided by 2, angle 0. Select fit command, select isometric view, select revolve, select the rectangle, accept, select this bottom line. Shaft is ready. Now let us make the keyway. Select front plane, front view, select rectangle, draw one rectangle of length keyway is 58.4. Height of the keyway is, total height of the key is 8, so 8 divided by 2, angle 0. Now select move command, select this rectangle, pick this top left corner and place it on the shaft corner. Now select cutout, select the sketch, you have to cut this, accept, symmetry, enter 10. So this is the driven shaft. File, save, summary, in the title enter driven shaft. Select OK, enter driven shaft, select save.